Hey friends, it's Bridget. I'm back with another unboxing video. This is going to be from Pella Paperie. She does have a brick and mortar stationery shop in Pella, Iowa, and she also has a website now. It's PellaPaperie.com. She does ship within the United States, and there is also an active discount code still going. It's papermademedoitig, all lowercase, all one word, for 15% off of your order. So let's see what I got in this order. Okay, right in the top of the box, I picked up a pen loop to add to my Leuchtturm A5. It's the kind that's adhesive that you can stick into the back cover to fit a pen. The Leuchtturm that I'm using for a bullet journal right now is the blue bullet journal, but I got the gray pen loop. I figured that would still be a nice neutral color that would look good against the blue. And then these two boxes are a really cool little wooden storage box. Let me go ahead and open one to show you what it looks like. Okay, I went ahead and actually opened both of them because I realized that she packed the other smaller things that I ordered inside the boxes. So the box itself is a light tone of wood, and then it has the darker tone that shows up on the corners in this dovetail pattern on all four corners, and then it has this latch on the front. It's not a locking latch, but it just flips up and down to release. And so this is a cool, you could say washi tape, but it's almost like masking tape size. So it's a nice grid wide tape, looks like about an inch wide. And then looks like these are some stickers. Okay, I am a huge fan of her vinyl stickers because they're the really nice, thick, good quality. I like using these stickers on notebooks, but because of the thickness and the quality of this vinyl, they can also go on water bottles, laptops, anything like that. So Nobody Cares is one of my personal faves. I already have this on the cover of my bullet journal, and I wanted one more, so I went ahead and picked up picked up an extra of that. The rest, I believe, are new styles. So we've got another serial killer documentary. And this is her logo and a new sticker. Love that. Pella Paperie, Paper and Gifts, and Pella, Iowa. Make art. Super cool. The mason jar with some art supplies. Another Pella Paperie logo. This one's cool. Has kind of a watercolor background. Okay, this one was made for me. We've got Late AF here, still laying on my bed in a towel in blue, and then right here where these converge, it says, "Here I am." Perfect. World's Best Boss. I actually have this mug, and if you're an Office fan, say less. Overthinking is my superpower. Again, like designed for me. That's a real quick no. We've got David here. And then these little dividers, I believe there are 6, so 2 in each position, but they fit perfectly inside the wooden boxes. So you can categorize the contents of the boxes with the dividers. Let's see what's in the second box. So in the second box, she included the cards that I ordered to go inside the boxes. So they, just like the dividers, are a perfect fit. They go right in there. I want to say that they are A7 in size, but they are quite small, a little bit larger, I would guess, than maybe like a playing card. And I want to say she also had more than one option for the cards. I think this was the pastel selection. I'm going to go ahead and open it because I see a pattern printed on the back of the yellow, so I'm just curious if the pattern is the same on all colors or if they include a variety. So let's see here. So we've got pink, blue, and yellow, and the pink just has a line here across the top, and it's completely blank on the back. So they are different. The blue, oh, okay, it has a little grid pattern, small grid on the front. Let's see, looks like there's even variation within the blue, so let me make sure. Yes, there's variation within the pink as well. Okay, so the first half of the pink has this line across the top, blank back. The second half of the pink has this ruler type pattern going down the left side of the card, same line across the top, and on the back it has the ruler pattern across the shorter end of the card. So that's the two designs for the pink. And then the blue, on the first half you get this nice grid on the front with that same title line, grid solid on the back. And then the second half of the blue has a very narrow rule all the way down the front after the title line, and then it looks like somebody scribbled this little decorative line across the bottom. That's cute. And then you get a different variation of the full rule and another little squiggly across the back. A little creative there. And then the yellow, two for it as well. The first half you get a square grid pattern all across the front with the title line on the top, and then the back is just a solid square grid. And then the last half of the yellow you get a wider rule on the front with a border down the side. So this instantly reminds me of like a checklist that you can list items and then mark them off. And then the back has that full pattern without the title line, so like a little checklist. So very cute. And to be perfectly honest, I'm not 100% sure yet how I'm going to use these. I've had my eye on them for a while, and what made me order them is they reminded me of, it's a different variation obviously. To me it's a little higher end variation of a trend that I remember going around sometime in the past, where people were taking the old school Rolodex and using the cards that used to go in the Rolodex and then turning those cards into like journaling cards. So these could obviously be used for something very functional. You could, use them to journal. You could use them for phone numbers, addresses, anything functional like that, but I'm probably leaning more toward the creative end. So they could be decorated and used like a journaling card. You could use your favorite quotes, almost like a commonplace book. There's really no limitations to your creativity. So I was thinking that it would be a fun way to kind of use your stash, go through journaling supplies. They could be decorated with washi tape, markers, ribbon, any ephemera could be secured. I love the little mini staplers, like the Tim Holtz staplers. You could affix different things with a staple, like a tab or ribbon. And there is enough room in the box once they're in here. Let's see. I'm not sure, I'd have to take measurements, but it looks like there would be enough room in the box for, if you wanted to affix something that would kind of hang off the edge. I'll try to do another video down the road after I actually decorate some of these, just to give you some more ideas. But that's how I'm planning on using them, in more of a creative way. So super cute. Love this order. I always feel like I need to go right back and order again, because she still has so many vinyl stickers that I want to add to my collection. But if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. And don't forget about that discount code. It does not currently have an expiration on it, so it is Paper Made Me Do It for 15% off at PellaPaperie.com. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.